Hi everyone, it's Anne from Curious Moon Design. I've made another needlebook and I'm just ready to post it off. So I thought I'd do another flip through. I've also got these beautiful cards, loads more on the Etsy site that you can just download and print off. All I've done is put them on some card and inked up around the edge, and they are really lovely. This is just a couple of them. I'll pop some music on and you can relax and enjoy looking through it. Well, I hope you enjoyed looking through this new needlebook, and I hope it inspired you to make one. If you'd like to make one in the same style, I have put a video on the channel that there's a step-by-step guide. Well, bye for now everyone. Happy crafting.